we are still in Kandy, but it's time to go to...
Water area.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a train.
We're gonna take our first train in South Asia.
Oh yeah, actually.
We were only traveled by car and buses, so it's time to take a train. And
This one is supposed to be like one of the most beautiful ones in the world.
yes, so the ride is supposed to be the most beautiful, not the train.
Also, today is the first day so far that I feel tired. Other than that, I haven't. But today I feel tired for some reason.
I feel tired since like 1 month or something, but I'm like used to it already. But okay, let's go. Let's get this bread. We did made it. We made it. That's gonna be fun 3 hours. That's how he's getting good photos.